everyone, Roger Williamson, guitar player here. I'd like to tell you about a new amazing guitar company that I've been fortunate enough to have been connected with. I've worked as a guitar player in the industry for many years with a trusty 1978 Telecaster as my main guitar. As you can see, it's got a few miles on it. When I started looking for a new one, rather than go for a mass-produced instrument, I looked into custom builders and found Scheltema Boutique Guitars. Within the first couple of chords, I was immediately comfortable with one of the Scheltema builds. The playability of the instrument was incredible, the neck was smooth, inviting, and easy to play. Tuning and intonation was accurate, sustain was excellent, and the notes rang out like they should, even up onto the highest frets. Scheltema Boutique Guitars offer several different models. This one is called El Paradiso, and this one, the Downtown. As a T-style player, the one that intrigued me the most was the Sherwood Classic line. The first thing I noticed was the sleek lines, cool colors, and definite surf vibe. The Sherwood Classic line is definitely easy on the eyes. All Scheltema guitars are built with only premium parts, such as Graphtec hardware. Graphtec actually contacted this guitar company to build an instrument on which to demo their product at NAMM, the music industry conference in California. Also, they use MJS hand-wound pickups. Nobody knows more about guitar pickups than Smitty at MJS. We had a phone conversation that lasted more than an hour, with me describing the exact tone I was going for and Smitty sorting it out. Scheltema Boutique Guitars has gained the attention of professional players. William has recently done a custom build for the legendary Randy Bachman. Here's Randy accepting his new custom build Scheltema Randy Bachman signature model. Speaking of signature models, I'm very pleased to show you the new Scheltema Roger Williamson signature model, Sherwood Classic. For color, we went with a very cool midnight blue burst with a grain showing, maple neck, MJS custom pickups, a 10-inch radius fingerboard, medium frets, Graphtec ratio tuners, a Gotoh 6 saddle bridge. When arranging and creating my custom build, William Scheltema was in touch with me daily, sending pictures and details of the build process. The Polonia body weighs an amazing 3 pounds without the neck. The entire weight of the instrument came in at an incredibly light 6 pounds. My signature model is a Sherwood Classic with a couple of add-ons. One is a drop D tuner. I use drop D tuning a lot, and I needed something that I could just grab quickly and make it happen. I also had added a B-bending system. I've played B-bender guitar for years and pedal steel. And this one is provided by Joe Glazer in Nashville. And it takes my B string and bends it to a C sharp. Also a humbucking neck pickup. I work with many different artists and producers of varying genres, and I needed a guitar which was equally at home playing bluesy tones, country chicken picking, jazzy tones, distorted tones, and anything in between. This configuration does that. Buying your next guitar, I really recommend considering a custom build from a luthier. Your finished Scheltema guitar will be a quality instrument you'll have for years for yourself and your family. For more details on Scheltema Boutique Guitars, click the link below. William is great to work with, and he will gladly set you up with one of his high-quality instruments. If you have a vision of your dream guitar, as I did, William can help this become a reality too.